The musical scene in Sitges is exceptionally varied. As you'll see in this section, there's something for everyone at different times of the year here. There's so much going on, in fact, that you'll need to keep a lookout for posters advertising events around town and check up the Sitges Town Hall website and tourist offices for information. To start with, how about some Cossack a cappella? At Easter time, a local tradition going back hundreds of years was for caramelairas to visit local farmhouses or macias to announce Christ's resurrection and the end of Lent. They would be rewarded with eggs and sausages put into this basket. After singing around the streets in Sitges, the caramelairas then meet in front of the town hall. At Corpus Christi, amongst other instruments on view, you can hear the distinctive, strident sound of a typical medieval type of clarinet, known as a gralla. The gralla is also used by these young virtuosos to celebrate Barcelona Football Club's famous victories. On the 23rd of April, St. George's Day, as well as at many moments during the summer, you might well see the most democratic dance in the world, the Catalan Sardana. The coplas, or bands accompanying the dance, are very melodious. Anyone can join in. But do be warned, the pace livens up towards the end of each number. For the last 15 years in Sitges, there's been an international tango festival, and tango lovers from all over the world do it on the beach, as well as here at the Retiro Gardens. And if you're into the brass band sound, then you're in luck. Sitges has recently started a big band. The Port of Aigua Dolce Foundation is very active in organising musical events around town, including their series of midnight concerts. And at the other end of town, at the Hotel Dolce Sitges, the swingle singers add a little magic to the balmy night air. Again, throughout the summer, the Sitges Museum Consortium entices you into their museums with a mixture of music and cava. You can go to the terraces of the Maricel Palace and listen to a castanets concert. Or you could pop over the road to the Cowferrat Museum and take in a little flamenco. If you're into jazz, then the Cowferrat also put on intimate jazz sessions each week throughout the summer, where two of Sitges' friendliest and most competent musicians, Joan on the double bass and Oscar on the piano, gave absolutely splendid performances. Jazz is also on offer at the Retiro, with jam sessions starting at around midnight on Thursdays at the Cava Jazz, and more traditional jazz is on offer upstairs in the Retiro on Fridays. And if you enjoy opera, then Friday evenings in the gardens of the Romantic Museum is the place to go. On a more contemporary level, the Sitges Tourist Association organises Preludi, a series of song and dance concerts with top billing. Preludi events are put on both indoors, as at the Melia Sitges Hotel, and in the open air, as here in the delightful Terramar Gardens. Generally in June, the Sitges Intercultural Fair gives you the opportunity to enjoy music from other countries, such as Bolivia. The Joventuts Musicals de Sitges, or Young Musicians of Sitges, have been going now for a number of years.
What sort of things are happening in the summer in Sitges?
Well, now we are preparing a festival with classical music and jazz.
During the Fiesta Mayor and Santa Tecla in August and September, music and dance go on all over the place. The town hall also gets you to take to the promenade for some fresh air and musical vibes until the early hours of the morning. If you're into drums, like these youngsters practicing in the open air for carnival, or like this group practicing at night by the shores of the Mediterranean for the Fiesta Mayor, then look out for Maracatu. Maracatu have encouraged a new breed of drummers and percussionists in Sitges and have now brought an annual gathering of drummers from all over Catalonia for a mega drum around town. The Casino Prado and the Retiro have been putting on musical events since way back in the 1880s, and in the summer they put on many open-air concerts, like this one with the local band Sitges. Various bars around the town put on live music. Here on stage at the Piacere, for example, you can find flamenco pop. At the piano bar, Steve and Wayne delight their customers with songs from the shows. One of the wonderful things about Sitges is that you can come across a whole range of artists in so many unexpected places, like this guitarist in the Racó de la Calma. My personal favourite is habanera singing. The Catalans who went to find their fortune in Cuba in the 1800s started to compose and sing melodic, nostalgic songs about their homeland. And a little ron cremat, or burnt rum, obviously helped them to drown their sorrows.